Welcome back to our video series on how to supercharge your sales with System Surveyor. In our last video, we talked about preparation while you're at the office, before going out to a customer site. In this video, we'll discuss making the professional first impression to help you build trust and confidence with your customer, which is fundamental to successful selling. Have you ever been frustrated because you were expecting one thing and something else happened? Of course, we all have, and so have your customers. Unmet expectations can undermine trust in any relationship, especially in sales. And that's why it's important to manage the sales call by clarifying expectations right up front. Think about it. Unless your customer focuses on security every day like you do, they probably don't have a lot of experience designing security systems. So it only makes sense that you lead them in the process. You will want to explain to the customer how you plan to approach the discussion and the project. Avoid the temptation to jump right into talking about their problems with a site walk. Let me offer an example. Hello, Mr. Johnson. I've worked with many customers to address their various security concerns, and I have a process that's worked well. May I outline this for you briefly? I'll want to understand your security concerns and which areas are of particular importance to you. Then we will take a tour of the facility. I've already loaded your floor plan in System Surveyor, and I'll begin developing a conceptual design as we go along. This will allow us to develop a system layout together so I don't miss anything. I'll also capture photos related to each device as we go, so I can share that with my technical team. And together, we'll come up with an initial system design and confirm that you feel we have a solution that will work for you. We'll also discuss a timeline and potential cost to make sure we have a plan that suits your budget. Finally, we'll review the next steps. Usually, I will develop a proposal based on the system layout we developed today. Does that sound okay to you? Obviously, you want to adapt this approach based on your own style and the customer. It may feel awkward at first, but give it a try. When you demonstrate that you have a plan and you set the expectations up front, you will gain the customer's confidence at the very start. There you have it. Manage the meeting. In the next several videos, we'll go into more detail about how to use System Surveyor throughout the process, and your customer's confidence will soar. Until then, happy surveying.